What's going on, guys? It's literally been months from I've done a video. There's not really, well, I suppose there is a reason behind it. Reversing sensor need fixed. Basically, from bought the house, I've been busy renovating and stuff, and then sort of lockdown as well. Been busy with work, things got there, but finally looking to try and get back on track with everything. Don't mind the saw, but I actually have done a right bit to the car. Like it turns over now, which I mean it doesn't start because there's no fuel tank in it, but I'll show you that in like the next clip. So gonna go over now and I'll show you the point that we're currently at the minute. Trying to get back on track with it because I really want to get it out sort of by the start of the next season. Regards to actually getting it running, shouldn't actually be that far away, but we'll head over now and we'll show you whenever I get there. So I'll be honest, I don't have an actual clue where we actually even left off in the last video, but we're back in unit. So I'm just going to pick up, basically just give you a quick overview where we are and what I'm doing now. So all of the underside has all been blasted. It's sitting in etch primer at the minute, simply just because I didn't have time to get it going. Well, it was more of time, and during lockdown trying to get someone to powder coat it was a bit of an issue. So it's all sitting in etch primer just so that it doesn't rust again. Main thing that I've been working on is trying to get the whole underside of the car, all the rust gone, any wee tiny bits of surface rust at all, because I want the underside of it to be perfect. That's why I'm powder coating everything, polybushing everything, and then once the underside's done, then we can really take into getting the car running, getting the actual look of it sorted, engine bay smooth, interior, and there's a lot to do there because we've to reupholster the dash, smooth the bay, get it running, and that's probably the main one. So I'll show you underneath and what I'm going to try and hopefully finish off today. So if we look under, you probably can't see. I need to grab a torch. So there's a torch. So if you look in around the arches, you can see that they're already like etch primer. That's because I've literally went over everything and got rid of all the rust on it. So underneath, I have majority of the car done. The sills and stuff are done. Still have to do the back of the tub there, and then the only real section left to do is this section that you can see here. So you can see I've like started into it here of getting rid of the rust, but still need doing a little bit of work there, etch primer it up, and then so once finished getting the etch primer done underneath, get the rust on, etch primer on, can of black paint, any color paint doesn't actually matter at all, because then there's going to be under shield that goes on it. So which is this here. This is what I've decided to go for, which is Gravitex or Gravitex Plus. Essentially sort of an underseal. It's like a rubber coating that goes under it, like a stone chipping. So it means the underside of it will be, the whole car will be completely sealed and should never have any issues in the future with rust on it at all. That's the plan. So I'm going to finish off getting rid of the rust, and then we're going to finish etch primering, and then I'll probably need to go and get black paint if I get time today to do it. If not, it'll probably be the next day. So basically just using this etch primer here. It's not really an expensive primer, it's just basically just a standard etch primer that just get out of any auto parts place, and going to get a bit of coverage on it now. all I've got left to do is over here. Don't really have time today to get the rest of the rust off of it, so I don't. And there's a wee bit you can kind of see up here as well, and a bit on the back of the tub here as well, a bit underneath it. So don't have time to get the rest of the rust off today, but that's literally all that's left to do. All the rest is all primered now. So gonna go and get ready for work. So gonna go get some black paint even on my way there, and then we'll pick up tomorrow where we left off. So picked up just 3 cans of this here. It's just basic gloss black spray paint. I'll see what it says there. Literally it's just using it just to seal in the edge primer that we've put up. So put this on then afterwards. We just need to finish off that last bit, which won't be doing today. It'll probably get done hopefully tomorrow. And then once the rest of the rust is done, edge primer that last wee bit, coat of the gloss black, and then we'll probably take into a new video of actually spraying the underseal on the underside. And once that's done, we can literally just start reassembling the whole underside, but we need to get everything powder coated first, obviously. But we'll go from there. So I know I said in the last video that it was going to be in the next clip that I was going to do the underside black and stuff, but it's actually been a couple of weeks, not going to lie. Again, all the cart, this tractor, all the cars and stuff have all changed again. I've already started painting a few of the bits black, so I have. So today I'm literally just going to finish off, hopefully, the underside, get the rest of the black coat on it, and then next video will be doing the actual underside itself. So let's get into that. I'll show you just quickly the bits that I have done, and you can see what I meant. So as you can see, it's after I've had the edge primer on, then we've just done a top coat of black paint. Same with basically up the whole, all the 4 arches is all that it's been done. So as you see, I still need to do whole underside, so that's what I'm going to take into now. See in the last clip there, like basically I've got a base coat done on the whole underside. I'm gonna sort of close off this video here. It's stinking with paint as well. I've ran out of paint again, and there's no point in doing like another day because I'm not going to get time to get paint today, so it's going to be another day. But basically the next video we're going to jump into the underside of it will be completely painted, and then we're going to just underseal it. Probably just going to lift it with a forklift, put it up, put a couple of transmission stands underneath it, like so it definitely doesn't fall on me. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like and comment down below, and be great. Cheers.